The NexiGo, the OBSBOT, or the WyreStorm? Perhaps the Lumina or the Anker? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 streaming webcams available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best streaming webcams. The 5th product on this list is the WyreStorm Zoom. This streaming webcam supports AI backlight compensation and AI face detection. No matter what space you are in, your video call will always look bright, clear, and professional. One of the biggest highlights of this webcam is that it's designed to stream 4K Ultra HD video with top-of-the-line quality. It also supports 720p at 90 Hz, making it perfect for professional conferences or video presentations. As we mentioned, it has a comprehensive dynamic range technology and backlight compensation with AI face detection image quality, which can be enhanced in higher contrast lighting environments. Another thing you'll love is that it can always capture precise details, whether it's a dimly lit or brightly lit area, within its 106-degree ultra-wide field of view. What's more is that it has up to 8 times digital magnification, which you can adjust to be more narrow or wide, or just focus on what you want via digital zoom or the pan and tilt function. This product also has AI noise cancellation, which means it can filter wind noise, keyboard typing, dogs barking, and other environmental noise, offering you a pure and natural audio recording. What's more, it can pick up your voice within a distance of 16 feet, ensuring everyone can hear the real you. Its pros are, it is made to support 4K quality videos perfect for presentations, it has a background noise filter that helps you be heard, and it automatically adjusts the lighting to suit your environment. However, for some reason you need to install their software in order to change the camera settings and turn on the AI feature. The WyreStorm Zoom is an excellent webcam because it makes you and your presentations much clearer for an online audience. Up next in 4th place is the Anker PowerConf C300. Here's a unit designed to make a great first impression with clients and impress your boss with its crisp HD webcam 1080p and 60 frames per minute camera with true-to-life colors. It also has a straightforward voice pickup plus ultra-sensitive dual microphones that help you be heard loud and clear via HD webcam while working from home. Whether you're working late or calling clients in different time zones, the HD webcam, AI-powered with auto low light correction, will kick in to ensure that you can stand out even in poor lighting conditions. What's more is that whether you are calling solo from home or huddling with colleagues in the office, this AI technology automatically adjusts the field of view depending on the number of people in your meeting. Another advantage is that it automatically focuses on people or objects within just 0.35 seconds and uses AI to show off every detail of your latest samples and prototypes without waiting for the focus to catch up. It also features C300's depth senses and facial recognition that easily track and adjust composition, which ensures your professional side is kept front and center. What's more, its AI color adjustment provides the perfect lighting in unstable conditions, with white auto balancing and AI-powered color adjustment. Its pros are, it has AI technology that adjusts the view depending on the people in the meeting, it has an autofocus that can detect subjects within 0.35 seconds, and it has AI color adjustment that ensures perfect lighting. However, it has a fairly lengthy installation process. The Anker PowerConf C300 is ideal for remote workers and small team presentations that need to look professional at all times. Still haven't found a streaming webcam that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Lumina AI. This next streaming webcam offers an adaptive color correction system that is smart enough to boost the colors while keeping your skin tone's natural glow. It focuses on you in the automatic mode and creates beautiful depth effects and artfully blur the background to focus on your subject. It features a so-called AI cameraman, which is designed to follow you throughout the call, ensuring you have the ideal perfect framing no matter how you move. It also comes with a deep fusion technology that activates in mid to low light scenes, and it analyzes multiple exposures pixel by pixel to capture the subtle textures, patterns, and details. Another reason to love this product is that the interface makes the image adjustments simple and configures your look exactly how you want to be. If you feel that's too tedious, you can always choose the automatic option and allow the AI to do all the work for you. Aside from that, it has ultra-wide camera abilities with 95 degrees wide-angle field of view and 4K high resolution, plus stereo audio with dual microphones that capture the natural sound and eliminates distractions and noise from your surroundings. Lastly, it has over 30 different settings, including exposure, white balance, saturation, background blur, and field of view, so you can customize it until your heart's content. Its pros are, it has an adaptive color correction system that boosts image reproduction, it has an automatic mode that creates depth, and it has AI technology that does automatic framing. However, the installation and configuration process requires registration with an account and a license key, which is a bit too time-consuming. The Lumina AI is an advanced webcam with plenty of useful features that are ideal for business meetings with colleagues and bosses. The second product on this list is the NexiGo N970P. This large yet sleek webcam is made with a Sony CMOS sensor that features up to 3840 by 2116 UHD resolution at 30 frames per second, producing vivid imagery, outstanding clarity, vibrant color rendition, and crisp details. It features super high SNR imagery, which is achieved even with low light conditions. The advanced face detection AI will automatically frame the video according to the number of people in the meeting and keep the video's focus centralized. Another great thing about this product is that it comes with a remote that makes it easy to control your video calls from afar. With the 10x digital zoom, you can turn off the webcam, zoom in or out, and do other things. This is ideal for presentations as you can slowly zoom in or out with a single button. Another upside is that it saves any specific settings directly to the webcam, so you can use it right away even if you switch between computers or devices. Moreover, it features a noise-canceling technology that gets rid of background sounds, so the person speaking can be heard loud and clear from up to 18 feet away. Overall, we can say that this is one of the best tools to have for a business meeting or a job where you need to be more professional. Its pros are, it has a centralized frame that focuses on you, it comes with a useful remote option, and it is able to save settings directly so that it remembers what you need when switching between devices. However, it uses an old style and pretty heavy USB cable on the back right side, which is just unergonomic since it causes the webcam to tip. The NexiGo N970P offers some advanced technology and is a fantastic tool for anyone who works from home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top streaming webcams is the OBSBOT Tiny PTZ. This is one of the most compact units on the market that support true 4K resolution. It has the best-in-class Sony 12.8-inch sensors and more pixels than ever before. So even when you zoom in, the video is clear and sharp. Not only is it 4K Ultra HD, but it also has HDR and AI auto exposure, so it looks professional even in low light. And you don't have to waste time setting up a light ring. It also features AI tracking with auto framing that comes with next-gen artificial intelligence, which tracks algorithms and lets it lock onto a person so that it will always follow you smoothly and precisely no matter where you go. This means that you can move around while giving a presentation and it will still keep you in the frame. Additionally, the magical gesture control works all day long with just 2 simple movements of the right or left hand. Finally, it has a dual omnidirectional microphone system that reduces noise and picks up your voice clearly from 9 feet away, making it easy and natural for you to talk. All in all, the wide range of features and high quality makes this device a perfect webcam for professional use. Its pros are, it offers true 4K resolution, it has AI tracking with advanced auto framing options, its 2-axis gimbal lets you smoothly adjust where the camera is pointing in almost any direction, and it is able to pick up your voice clearly from across the room. However, it can be a bit slow at focusing on subjects moving close to the camera. The OBSBOT Tiny PTZ is a solidly made high-end device that would make a brilliant addition to any at-home offices. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.